welcome back to Siani's Hair World. Guess what? Christmas came early. RevAir sent us their newest model. And it's right here. You like it? Look at the box. It says, prepare to be amazed. So are you ready to be amazed? RevAir's newest model. It's lighter, it's smaller, it has a sleek design. Check out these goodies they sent us. Some of the goodies are already in my hair. The first goodie we have is some clips they got us. We have a towel to dry your hair after you wash it. We have a wide tooth comb. It even says RevAir on it. We have a RevAir bag to put all your goodies in. We have a spray bottle. Pew pew. Last but not least, we have some filters that you have to put in the blow dryer. RevAir is the only blow dryer that uses reverse air. RevAir uses minimum heat and it stretches your hair. This button determines how hard you want your hair to be suctioned. And we're going to turn it all the way up to 7. 7 is the highest it can go. Okay, I'm going to take this clip down. And we're gonna start blow drying my hair. We took this clip down, we're gonna start blow drying it. It's gonna be very loud so you won't be able to hear anything. Just watch and be amazed. I'm just gonna comb through it a little bit and then put it back on one more time. It is very easy to go through because I detangled my hair earlier. Oh my god, look at the difference. Do you see how this one is way longer than this one? This is my wet curly hair. This is my dry straight hair. Alright, let's keep going. Look at these results. I'm gonna go do the back of my hair off camera. Hey guys, here's the results of me using the new model of RevAir's blow dryer. If you were amazed just how I was amazed, let me know down below in the comments. Stay tuned for my next video when I style my hair for Thanksgiving. Bye, girlfriend.